We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here, and this is exactly what we get. Because we mentioned we're looking to see the break with the breakout of 230. We mentioned we're looking to see the breakout of 260. Anyway, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned if we get the correction, we can look for buy, but the way is move is very corrective. That means we shouldn't. No one should keep the trade from here. Even they keep the trade, they should take out the trade in the break even, because whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, mostly we lead for, the price can drop, right? And even if the price continues a corrective move, it doesn't give us good opportunity for buy, all right? Anyway, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, make this showing us a divergence, and here also we can refer to divergence. That's why we need to be really careful, because if this kind of the move, first of all, we can expect the price to drop, at least similar to what we get here. And even if there is a continuation, we cannot get a really good trade setup, because at that time we have to see the breakout. Then after, as a short move, then flag, we take the trade. What I want to say is that we have to wait to see the breakout of this move, then before we look for the next trade. And mostly we can expect the price to drop. And if we move to daily chart, we have been looking for buy, and as we can see, the price tag, the three of the levels we have been looking for, and we don't need these lines anymore, and we keep this one 230. But now the question is whether we are going, because if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators based on daily chart, we see we have a divergence as well, but the MACD doesn't show us the divergence. Now the question is, can we expect this one to give us a deeper correction similar to what we have here? And this is the internal correction as a 1 2 3 internal in relative to this. For the next move, we need to know about this one. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they should have a proper trade setup based on 1 hour chart, and based on daily chart. We don't have any trade setup at this point, because at least we need to see the flag. But if we get any continuation, any trade for buy, the next level with the breakout of 260, we can look for 311 following by 374. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We want to see how we can look for trade, and based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I explained earlier, we cannot get any trade for buy from here. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they have, still they keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even or book some profit. Right? If you want to look for next trade, either we get a correction, at least similar to what we get here, then any reversal from there, we will take the trade, or we see the breakout of this one as a short move flag, we take their next trade. We cannot get any proper trade setup within this one. Having entry above this top, I won't suggest it at all. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We have to wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.